Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create group chat on Snapchat. Whether you are planning an event, sharing updates, or just want to chat with your crew, creating group chat on Snapchat is super easy. Stick around as in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to do that in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now, click on this option of friends given at the bottom left. With that, you will land to the chats page. Once you're on this page, at the top right corner, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on it. Now click on the option of new group. You are able to add up to 200 people in a single group. First up, you can give a name to your group. Now here you're going to find the friend list of your Snapchat. Check in for the people you want to add to the group. Once you have selected the users, click on the option chat with group. And just for that, the group will be created. So this way you can easily create group chat on Snapchat. This was really simple and quick process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.